What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dior coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at a Friends and Family Jordan 1 and then also a free Dior item I got. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the Friends and Family Jordan 1. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love the channel so much. Let's get into it. So like I said, this is a Friends and Family only. Alright, now the box is open, so let's get into it. I got these from eBay. As you guys see, meet your soulmates. eBay authentic guarantee right there. Authenticity. Here we go. Let's get this box out the way. So we'll be unboxing the Dior in a bit. Like I said, let me just check these out. Actually, first, I guess let me show you guys kind of the box. Go. Here are the shoes. These are brand new. And they are public school, New York. Jordan 1 swooshless, or the NS. And they are, you guys can see. I'm super excited to get these. If you guys watch some of my videos, you can tell that I have a bunch of these. And these are just super nice to get my hands on because there's 2 samples. The other samples seem like they're a little more common. And these I really haven't seen. The only thing I've seen, I think Wiz Khalifa has these. I don't know how many pairs there are, but it was really dope to get my hands on it. So there's one, but the other, they are the same exact shoe. You also right here have PSNY. Just like all the other swooshless premiums, you have the Air Jordan. You have the same like tumbled leather. And on the inside, you have public school. Also something that is really dope, they have gold tips at the end of the laces, for you guys. And they also have like the wax laces. And I think that the yellow makes it pop out super well. It's a super unique shoe. It's something definitely dope to grab. This is a size 13, which is my size, so that is super nice. You also have a leather tag on the top with the Nike Air in yellow. One thing I like about these is that they are OG Jordan 1 lows. If you guys notice, all my Jordan 1 lows are OGs. I don't like any of the newer ones. I like if they have the tag and of course in the Air Jordan on the back. But something I really like about these is just the materials that they use. It's just super high quality and seems super nice. I will get you guys some more close footage of these shoes so you guys can see all the details. Let's get into the other unboxing. So this box is nice and near, it's exciting. And it's actually something free because I have American Express Platinum credit card. So they end up just giving you like a free $50 every, I think, 6 months to Saks Fit. I ended up just wanting to try this out. I never had it. I kind of stick with the same cologne that I normally use. Here it is. Pretty big box for how small this is. Really nothing too crazy. Just Dior cologne. I guess Savage. Is how you say that. Not really big into cologne. I only use like George Armani. And figured I would try this. You know, it's free. American Express offers it. It's just super dope. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like these, if you guys have got these as a friends and family, exclusive only. These super cool. Have you guys seen these before? Like I said, I will be giving you guys a bunch of details on it. And I hope you guys really enjoy. There will be a Jordan 1 low collection video coming soon for you guys because I have a ton of Jordan 1 lows. And I've been kind of unboxing a bunch of them. These are starting to really grow me. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. That helps the channel so much. Make sure you check out my other videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.